Hey, what's going on? Dave here, back at Brett's RV and Marine in beautiful Missoula, Montana, with a quick walkthrough and tour of this brand new 2023 Thor motor coach. This is the 4Winds 28Z. Let's get started.
Under the hood of this Class C motorhome is a 7.3 liter V8, which provides more torque and horsepower than previous models. On the inside, another feature to that is that it opens up a lot more space on the inside by having a smaller doghouse. Most Class C motorhomes of this size have a very small pass-through storage. We call it a pizza oven. This pass-through storage is a massive pass-through storage. Imagine all the stuff that you could fit in this. If you were to actually have any spillage, another really cool feature that this one has is this drain plug right here. Just pop that open and any extra liquids that might have seeped out can flow right out of there. So as we move over to the rest of the side of this coach, we're looking at the slide topper over here. What this does for you is it helps keep a lot of debris and other materials from getting into the coach, sliding in there, breaking down the integrity of the seal right there. Of course, we have our generator right here. It's a 4,000 watt on-in gasoline powered generator. That's where the compartment sits right here. Your exhaust valve right to the side right there. Now on the inside, a couple of things I'd like to point out. At this very moment, the slide's not out, but you can imagine how much space would open up with this whole compartment slid out. Another great feature that this coach has is these theater seats seating directly across from where the TV's at. Couple other areas for sleeping right above the cabin. Then we also have our dinette that could also turn into a smaller bed. And another great feature is storage compartments throughout the whole coach. So next, what we're looking at right here is our kitchen. So we have a 3-burner stovetop, microwave, oven, solid surface countertops here. Plenty of space to do any cooking that you need to do, and excellent appliances to do it with. Here on my left, your right, we have the bathroom with a large shower, porcelain toilet, sink, vanity, for plenty of storage for your linens. And last but not least, the best feature of this whole coach is the fully walk-around queen bed. Most units this size don't have anything close to a fully walk-around queen bed, and this has it.
Well, there you go, my friends. A quick tour and walkthrough of this 2023 Thor motor coach. This again is the 4Winds 28Z. For more information on this unit and others, check out brettsrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.